Today, we will talk about how to raise earthworms at home. Let's have a look at the details. Earthworms' most valuable attribute is their ability to transform organic material into a highly nutritious substance called castings. Controlling this process by vermicomposting will give you a way to get rid of organic waste, not to mention provide you with a constant supply of organic fertilizer. Of course, if you're raising earthworms for fishing bait, the vermicomposting process is also the best way to simply generate a continuous supply of earthworms. The first step is choosing a type of worm to raise. Choose a type of worm based on purpose and climate. Determine your priorities regarding what you hope to achieve by raising worms. Raise red wigglers if your main priority is vermicomposting. All earthworms eat organic matter and excrete high-quality soil. Red wigglers are simply the best choice for your home vermicomposting setup. Raise European nightcrawlers for the best worm fishing bait. The European nightcrawler is a larger type of earthworm, known predominantly for thick skin, a longer lifespan on your fishing hook, and its ability to tolerate salt water. Raise African nightcrawlers in warm climates. If you live in a warmer climate, such as the southern U.S., African nightcrawlers may be ideal. Raise Alabama jumpers to add to your yard or garden. If you're looking for a type of worm to add directly to your yard or garden, Alabama jumpers are prized for their ability to survive in many different types of soil. Maintain an earthworm colony size. An earthworm population can double in size within 60 to 90 days. Since earthworms are hermaphroditic and have quick gestation periods. Accordingly, an established earthworm colony will replenish its population, as long as you don't take too many out. The second step is building or buying a vermicomposting setup. Make a simple compost pile. Truth be told, you don't even need a container or any sort to maintain a vibrant vermicomposting setup. Build your vermicomposting bin outdoors. Build a simple wood frame outdoors to maximize the space you have and to keep costs low. Build your own indoor vermicomposting container. You can use a plastic storage container to build a bin for use in your garage, shed, or even in your home. Get a can of worms or other prefabricated container. You can also simply purchase a manufactured worm bin system. The can of worms is an especially reliable and simple container you can buy at home improvement stores or online. Structures such as these are usually simply multi-tiered plastic trays stacked together. These bins benefit from portability and are the easiest way to start raising worms indoors. The third step is supplying bedding for your worms. Maintain a bedding material and contain vermicomposting bins. Your worms require a bedding material that will help maintain moisture and aeration within the bin. Use shredded paper for indoor bins. Newspaper is best and can easily be shredded by hand. Moisten newspaper with water from a spray bottle to prevent making the water overly soggy. Use leaves and grass instead of peat moss for outdoor bins. Be careful if you're using manure as bedding. For outdoor vermicomposting, manure is a potentially cheap option. Manure, in fact, is essentially earthworms' ideal natural habitat. And the fourth step is feeding your worms. Place food scraps on one side of a bin or pile. Feed your earthworms only as much as they can eat. The most common mistake in raising earthworms is overfeeding. Feed worms intended for use as bait more food. Manure bedding is best for literal worm growth, in addition to a grain-based diet. Avoid feeding your earthworms anything dangerous. Certain common kitchen scraps should not be included in the materials you feed your earthworms, both for your sake and theirs. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.